This is a sponsored video for LOL Surprise. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Today, we are taking a look at LOL Surprise Remix Hair Flip and LOL Surprise Remix Pets. Are you ready to jam? LOL Surprise Remix is the newest series, and it's all about music. We know LOL Surprise always brings fun surprises. And by the looks of what we have to show you today, they've done it again. So we are going to turn up the volume and get remixed.
We're so extra when they see us, they jealous. We're so surprising, taking on the world.
We have 2 LOL Surprise Remix Hair Flip boxes and 1 LOL Surprise Remix Pets that we are going to unbox for all of you today. So let's get started. The LOL Surprise Remix Hair Flip dolls come in a pink box with black, blue, and yellow details. It looks like a speaker with printed controls at the top, a picture of an LOL Surprise doll in the bottom corner. It says Surprise Hairstyle. On the side, it says Package Plays Music. What? Unbox Song Lyrics. There is a small tab at the top corner. On the side of the box, it says Let's Groove. On the back of the box, it says 15 surprises. There are pictures of the possible surprises. Styles will vary. Let's be friends. #CollectLOL. On the other side, there is a picture showing the items we need to collect to build a boombox. We need 1 Remix Hair Flip box, Remix Pets, and another Remix Hair Flip box. Carefully open the box. Inside, there are picture instructions. We find information on the features, the boombox, the song, and the lyrics. Now let's remove this from the box. We find a silver-colored speaker with black details and a clear yellow top. We can remove this section and take out our LOL Surprise doll. She's in a little yellow container. It opens easily to reveal the doll. Look at that hair. She has teal rooted hair, and this one's hair is so neat right out of the box. She has all these little curls, one on top, one in the back, and then 2 hanging down. She has sculpted baby hairs that are painted teal, brown eyes with pink and yellow eyeshadow, earrings, they're little pink lightning bolts, painted gloves, a painted bathing suit, and green painted socks. She can move at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. Inside of the speaker, we find more surprises, like a small bracket to hold the doll's feet. It goes on the top of the box, so we have a place to display the doll. Then we have pink shoes with little pom-poms and a keymatic. It says so right here. It's a little guitar piano, like a guitar. And this is a strap that attaches to the keymatic so the doll can play some tunes while walking around. There are also little legs underneath so it can stand on its own. I like little accessories like that. Here we have a bow hair comb and bow hair accessories. This feels like a bottle, and yep, it's a hot pink and yellow bottle. This has to be her clothes. Oh, look at that. It's an asymmetrical dress with lots of color. There's a pink ruffle at the bottom. She's wearing a pearl necklace, and she is totally ready to jam on the keymatic. Speaking of jams, we have a record here titled Bangle BB. On the back, it says LOL Surprise Remix. Inside, we find a record. There is also a collector's guide showing all the dolls in the Remix Hair Flip collection. And on the back, we have the lyrics to a song. We just have to fill in the blanks with the included sticker sheet. Just match the numbers to the ones on the collector's guide to fill in the blanks. I put 3 AAA batteries in here, turn it on, place it on top, open the lid, take out the record, put it on the record player, push down and turn to play the music. Whoa, I think that is pretty cool. We have a little record player with little records that really plays music. What? We can also remove the front of the speaker, place the little foot bracket inside along with the doll for another way to display our BBs. And this is a great place for them while we listen to the music. Let's open another one because we need 2 Remix hair flips to make our boombox. This time the top is blue. That is so cool that they come in different colors. The doll is inside of a blue case. She has brown hair, silver eyeshadow, and silver colored earrings. Her hair is in ponytails. Let's check out those surprises. She wears a pink and silver 2-piece outfit. Her legs are painted to look like stockings. She has a pink and silver milk carton bottle, a pink bow hair comb, and pink shoes with black and silver details. This must be the stand so we can display our doll, who also comes with a large silver bracelet and silver colored hair accessories and a little tiny harmonica, and it's decorated with little hearts. On her record it says Nashville. The back says LOL Surprise Remix. We have new lyrics to add to the song, and when we put the record on the record player, we can hear another part of the song. And since these are LOL Surprise dolls, there is a water element. When placed in cold water, they change. Bangle BB's bathing suit changed colors along with her gloves and her socks. And Nashville gets a whole new look. Speaking of whole new look, these dolls are called Remix Hair Flip. So let's switch it up and remove the hair bands to reveal a new hairstyle. She has brightly colored pink and yellow twist in her hair, giving her some fun highlights. Let's take a good look at Nashville, then Remix Hair Flip. Yeah! She has curly, hot pink hair hanging down in the back, underneath her brown hair, and there's a little streak on top. Girls, y'all gotta tell me who your stylist is. Up next, we have the LOL Surprise Remix Pets. The front of the box looks like a cassette player. On the side, it says Unbox Song Lyrics, Dressed for the Concert. On the side of the box, it says I'm in disguise. On the back of the box, it says that there are 9 surprises with a water surprise. And at the bottom, it says, let's be friends, #CollectLOL. Then on the last side, it shows all the pieces that we need to build a boombox. And this is the last piece that we need to build ours. Open the top, pull out the cassette player. There are instructions inside the box. First, we remove the front, take out the handle, pull the sides apart, attach it onto the box, remove all of the surprises. If you look on the inside, you can see that it's decorated. There are little tiles on the back, Now let's reattach the front, open the case containing the pet. We have a little cream-colored dog with face paint and rooted hair. It has bangs and the hair is kind of a periwinkle color. The pet can move at the head, the front legs, and the back. The surprises are wrapped in tissue paper. Here we have shoes. They are white shoes with blue platforms and white painted clouds. The next surprise is a little electronic device. I think it's a control pad. And next we have one of those little doggy outfits that make it look like the dog is standing up and wearing clothes. This is so adorable. Look at this pup in its little dress, and it even has little faux arms right here on the sides. And they move. The dog's back legs are hidden behind the hair. Now we need some glasses to finish the disguise. We also have a little puppy foot stand that goes right here on top and a cloud bottle. And we can say hello to Rough Waver. Dip it in ice water for a special reveal. There's a little butterfly on its back. Our pet also comes with a magazine. This is called a Rolling Ball, and on the inside there are a couple of pictures and there's a lightning bolt on the back. Here is the collector's guide showing all the pets in this collection. On the other side, it says Crew Remix at the top. Remove the tape from the cassette player, pull the reel, remove the stickers, match them with the numbers on the paper to fill in the lyrics for the song. The pet can be displayed inside, giving us more options. And now we have all the pieces that we need to put our boombox together. Make sure the handle is all the way up, then attach the Remix Hair Flip speakers to the Remix Pet cassette player to make the boombox. All I can say is, wow! I absolutely love this boombox display. I think it's a very creative way to showcase the dolls, and we can play the records to create a song. We can play them in whatever order we want for a little remix. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the new LOL Surprise Remix Hair Flip and Remix Pets and created a boombox display. We can't wait to see the rest of the LOL Surprise Remix line. There's even a plane. All LOL Surprise Remix products are available at Walmart or Walmart.com. And pre-order is open now. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!